Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a simple recipe of how to make boneless chicken rice. That is, I'm using the chicken breast meat. Shall we go to the recipe? Now I'm going to steam the breast meat. So what I did was I fill up this pot with some water and ginger. Slice some ginger and it's in the water. And I'm going to steam the chicken breast here. This is about 250 grams. That is about 9 ounces of chicken breast. So I'm going to steam this for 10 minutes. I am boiling the end part of the chicken wing over here. So I have not put any ginger or garlic here. I'm just boiling for the stock. So I shall be using this stock for the chicken rice. So the stock over here is boiling. So I'm just going to remove the top layer of the stock. Going to use this water and the soup over here to cook the rice. I'm going to pour in about 2 teaspoons of oil, half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, this is 2 cups of rice. This is basmati rice. I'm going to now pour in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. 1, 2. Now I'm going to pour about 2 cups of rice. We have to have 3 cups of water. And 1 cup of this water. 3 cups of water. And I took from the stock of the chicken wing and the roasted water. So for this I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to simmer this in low heat for 10 minutes. Once the water starts to boil, you have to lower down your heat to the lowest. That means the low heat on the very first, that means number 1 of your stove, low heat, and cook for about, the total cooking should be about 10 minutes. Four more minutes to go. It's already 10 minutes. The rice is cooked. And let's prepare the chicken. I'm going to prepare the sauce for the chicken. To pound this store-bought fried onion. This is like that, but I'm going to pound it to be more smoother. So I'm going to pour this kicap mayonnaise. Now I'm going to slice the so this is the steamed chicken. I'm going to slice this. I have some cucumber here. I cut it to the stripes. This is my chicken rice. Try, share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I shall see you in my next upload. Bye.